Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. It's actually been a while this time. So here I have a bunch of UNIQLO t-shirts, and I've done one or two videos about their t-shirts, and I bought a bunch of them. I checked the mails, the order history, and I bought somewhere between 60 and 80 t-shirts from UNIQLO the last 3 years. But the last 3 years I have, not even 3 years, the last 2 years I've lost 46 kilos and gained 44 kilos, and the new weight isn't where it should be. So to be comfortable, I am now size double XL. And so to get to the point that I'm trying to get to, I ordered a bunch of UNIQLO t-shirts before I lost that weight. I bought 2 of every version that they had. So 1 blue and 1 white. And my plan was to try them and let you know what I thought about them and which one I liked the best. But then I lost some kilos and I bought the same again. So 2 out of every one, but in another size. So I sort of started over, but the second order that I did change a couple of things. Not for the worse, absolutely not. But it's just that the AIRism, the one that I'm wearing now, and the one that I really like, was way different between those couple of months, like 6 months in between. So I started over. I did a video. I was going to do a video where I recommended the ones that I liked and did not like. But I have recommended UNIQLO's t-shirt for everyone that I've spoken with the last year or something. It's just that very irritating is that, so the main reason why I like UNIQLO's t-shirt is because they don't have any wash stamp in the neck. But this one do have, yeah. So that was what I was going to say. They don't have that. But some of them do. And when I ordered them, I can't see which one has that or not. And that irritates me a lot because I really don't like that tag in the neck. I really don't like that. So 60, 80 t-shirts later, I have sort of figured out that the one that I like are called AIRism. And AIRism is their way of making a clothing. AIRism. They're very breathable, very nice. And this time I have only ordered AIRism, and they come in different kind of packages. And some of them have the thing in the neck, like this one, and some of them don't, and I don't understand which ones I should have. So when it comes to UNIQLO's t-shirts, and it's the same with the Supima, I've tried them all. I've tried all of their t-shirts. At least the ones that come in one color. So all white and all blue. This time I took something else as well, green or another sort of blue. And AIRism is the ones that I like. They're very breathable, very nice. But it seems like this is the 4th time that I'm ordering UNIQLO's t-shirts, that they change them from every time. So These that I just showed you with the tags in the neck, these kind of tags are new. I had not seen them before. Not on the AIRism t-shirts anyway. And I really don't like that. So should I return them? Maybe I should, but I won't do that. I'll give them to my brother instead. And what I tried this time, so I have only more or less only bought UNIQLO's t-shirts, but I ordered their sweatpants jeans and I really like them. I'm not wearing them today, but I really like them. So this time I'm going to try their jeans and just to see how they are. These were also supposed to be some kind of breathable, so not your standard jeans, stretch, salvage, slim fit jeans. And 36, 34, because I'm fat now. Let's see how they fit. And the t-shirts, I am more or less 100 kilos now, let's say 98, 97 kilos. And 6'1" feet, which is 186 centimeters. And I wear clothes casual, loose like this. So this is double XL. I can wear XL as well, but when I sit down, it doesn't look so good. So I'm mostly comfortable with double XL. So that's why I bought a bunch of new double XL AIRism. And the AIRism is, I don't know if you can see that, but they're sort of see-through, but they're really nice, comfortable, really nice, and not expensive at all. Here in Sweden, it's like 25 euro, $25. I think in US is $19 or something. So really, really nice for the money. And I bought a belt as well, just because it was cheap. I have to see how it is. It's supposed to be leather, but for like $50, $60 or something. $40. Nah, that can't be right. So just because I'm curious, yeah, okay, it looks cheap. Could do. If I would see it on the rack hanging, I wouldn't have bought it. It feels cheap, but for $40. Genuine leather from Italy. Smells good, actually. I took the brown one because I don't like black. Yeah. And the jeans. Let's try them on. Yeah, let's try them on. But before that, just to show you, I bought AIRism, everything. And they have short sleeves. I didn't take the short sleeves this time. Mid sleeves or normal size sleeves and big sleeves. And the big sleeves are the ones with the tag in the neck. And I really hate that. Long sleeve, yeah. The long sleeve, I'm guessing this is long sleeve as well. Half sleeve with the tag as well. Short sleeve. Did I take a short sleeve anyway? All right, short sleeve. Short sleeve. Short sleeve. But I didn't order any. Another short sleeve. Another short sleeve. An oversized crew neck t-shirt with the tags in the neck. What have I ordered this time? So this is why I don't do these UNIQLO's unboxing videos, because clearly I don't know what I'm ordering. But let me show you what the jeans look like. No, the jeans were way too small. I can't even button them. So XL in size and 36 in width, but they are not big enough. I can't even button them. So no, returning the jeans, probably returning the t-shirts as well, because of the tags in the neck that I really don't like. Here you have your UNIQLO unboxing video. Used to show you, I have not sorted this in any way, but all of these are UNIQLO AIRism, dark blue, navy blue, and you clearly see that they are different in the material. And bought the last 2 years. Same size, same color, and all AIRism. But I still like them. I still do like them.